How to quickly fix Twitch error 1001 on desktop. Get in Twitch error 1001 on your desktop. Here's how to quickly fix it. This error usually comes from DNS or cache issues. So first, clear your browser cache and cookies. On Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then click on Clear Browsing Data and then select Cookies and Cached Images and click Clear Data. Next, try switching your DNS settings. So open your network settings and find your connection and set your DNS to 8.8.8.8 or 8.8.4.4, and that's Google's public DNS. If that doesn't help, flush your DNS cache. So on Windows, open command prompt as administrator and type ipconfig /flush DNS. Then hit enter. Still stuck? Disable any VPN or proxy you're using, as Twitch often blocks traffic from certain regions or IPs. And finally, restart your browser and try loading Twitch again. Most users report it works after these steps, so that's how to quickly fix Twitch error 1001 on desktop. Thanks for watching.